it up. Call the plug, cause you know I gotta double up. Get it right back, cause you know that I'm gon' fuck it up. All I wanna.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Twist! Yeah. Coming straight out of Crooklyn, a young wavy nigga by twist smoke. Humble cause I been broke, gun smoke or weed smoke. Get smoke too hot for the steel, then you get poked. Couple hundreds dice game niggas getting roped out here. My crip niggas say we out here. And rest in peace to my niggas that's not here, it's not fair. White man catch a kill like it's black ops here. Get away with murder just because he got the cop gear. Well tell them niggas that we not scared. A pussy nigga with a gun I will not fear. Still pour the lean, still smoke the dream. What's aim to a nigga if the chop got a beam? Shit mean. Red dot to your spleen. A fuck nigga getting left for they team. About 745 on the I-95. Tryna duck one time, oh my. Niggas mommy's gonna cry. But real talk, it can never be mine. See a fuck nigga try, a fuck nigga died. I don't even gotta squeeze to catch up, get you fried nigga. Look, my niggas give it up, cause we don't give a fuck. We keep that 30 tuck, automatics, let them bust. Keep it running with the rush, GSC is only us. You see the top is only us, and money is the only must. Proof like magic, going that's tragic. On point like tragic, big checks we cashed it. Bends in traffic, flip bread, gymnastics. Cash or plastic, stretch bands, elastic. Say I'm psychopathic, I'm letting money go. LF up in the club, we gotta let money show. Gotta let honey know, diamond drip like a runny. No foreign chicks when I run in, no foreign whips when I run the show. Twist!
Coming straight out of Compton.
Coming straight out